Yo, fucking listen up. If you're fucking new to Forex, you're fucking gonna make some fucking mistakes. But some of these fucking mistakes, they'll fucking wipe your fucking account faster than you can fucking say, margin call. So let's fucking break down the top 5 fucking Forex mistakes beginners fucking make, and how to fucking avoid them like a fucking pro. Let's get into it. Number 1. Trading without a fucking stop loss. This is a fucking suicide, fucking plain and simple. You wouldn't fucking drive a car with no fucking brakes. So why the fuck are you placing trades with no fucking exit plan? Every fucking trade needs a fucking stop loss. Not maybe, not sometimes. Every damn trade. A fucking stop loss is your fucking seatbelt in this fucking brutal market. Without it, you're just fucking gambling, not trading. Number 2. Fucking risking too much. Fucking trying to flip $50 into fucking $5,000 overnight? Congratulations. You're about to fucking blow your account. Real fucking traders manage fucking risk. They don't fucking risk more than 1 to 2% per fucking trade. Fucking slow and fucking steady wins this game. So fucking stop betting the fucking farm on one fucking setup. You're not a fucking hero, you're a fucking trader. Number 3. Overtrading. You don't fucking need to be in the fucking market 24/7. More fucking trades doesn't fucking mean more fucking money. It usually fucking means more fucking losses. Wait for high fucking probability setups. Be a fucking sniper, not a fucking machine gun. Sometimes, the fucking best trade is no fucking trade. Let that fucking sink in. Mistake 4. Ignoring the fucking news fundamentals. Ignoring the fucking news. If you don't fucking know when NFP or fucking interest rate decisions are fucking dropping, you're fucking basically blindfolded in a war fucking zone. News can fucking wreck technical setups in fucking seconds. So fucking check the economic fucking calendar. Stay fucking sharp, stay fucking informed. And number 5. Chasing the fucking market. You see a fucking big move, panic fucking hits, and boom, you fucking FOMO into a fucking trash entry. Now you're fucking trapped, fucking stressed, and praying for a fucking miracle. Stop chasing. If you fucking missed it, you missed it. Let it fucking go. The market is not fucking going anywhere. Discipline beats desperation, every fucking time. Conclusion. Look, Forex isn't fucking easy, but it's fucking simple if you stay fucking smart. Avoid these 5 fucking rookie mistakes, and you'll already be fucking ahead of 90% of new fucking traders. Keep your fucking emotions in check, protect your fucking capital, and always, always, respect the fucking market. Subscribe for more fucking Forex advice, and grab the Forex Beginner Survival Checklist, link in the description. Stay fucking sharp, stay fucking dangerous, catch you in the fucking next one.